It's Shuki baby. Tap the blessing and subscribe.
When you think about premium fashion, you think about the premium clothes, but also the premium bags. A bag is one accessory that says a lot about someone. Now, right now, I'm literally in the center where you can get premium handbags for women and men. Actually, everything to do with leather. If you're someone that likes high quality stuff and you're looking to source them, right there we have Bayun Leather Market. In that wholesale market, you get a whole lot of high-end copies. And here at the same time, there is also Bayun Commercial Industrial Base. They also have the same kind of goods, but without the logos, without the copies. It's the same street, but inside there are companies that have their own brand. Yo, let me tell you, you cannot go inside here to make videos because they have a whole lot of copies and they are on high guard. But the major thing is that when you're trying to get premium quality bags that you need for your business to scale or to start a business, this is the area that you're supposed to come to. I got a contact of a supplier that I'm gonna leave for you on my membership channel. That supplier is on Bayun and they have copies for like Hermes and Louis Vuitton. So you can always reach out to them and see if you can make a purchase. This is where your premium brands could be sourcing. This is where the people that are reselling these brands could be sourcing. Now, if you're someone that is interested in scaling or starting a business that sells high-end fashion bags, this is the video that you need to watch from the beginning to the end. Hi, I'm hshukrat. I have a registered company here in China, Guangzhou, and I take you through Guangzhou wholesale markets. Now, if you're someone that would love to start or scale your business, please subscribe to my channel because I keep telling you where you can get things that are going to help your business grow and expand. And also, I give you a little bit of lifestyle of my life in Guangzhou. Today, we are in a wholesale market where I can get premium handbags for both men and women. While most shops are not letting us make videos, we are in a wholesale shop that has very good quality leather stuff. I'm going to leave the supplier's contact on my membership channel. You can be able to talk to them, make an order with them, and get to know them. If that is your kind of content, please do not forget to subscribe, like, share, and please subscribe to my membership channel.
Welcome to China, the land of the rising sun, where ancient China is the door to a new dawn. With a vision of prosperity and hope, we invite you to be a part of this journey of growth. In this land of ancient wisdom and modern dreams, China is the key to brighter future.
When you walk into these wholesale markets, don't just purchase because you see a beautiful bag like this. Ask the supplier about the material because I've been told there is pure leather. There are materials that are made from crocodile skin and different kinds of leather. So you'll be able to ask about the different kinds of leather. And also, I've noticed that when you bargain, you ask them to reduce the price. The quality of the leather can change accordingly. So just have that in your mind, and the next time you come here sourcing for your premium brand.
Welcome to China. Access my guide call. The new chapter is here. Let's build it together. Holy together. Let's build it together. Ooh, whoa. Hey, future is bright. Build it together, holy together. Build it together, future is bright.
And right behind me is Quida Wholesale Market. Also, it has leather bags, leather handbags, leather belts, and things to do with women accessories. So let's go in and see some of the products. Maybe it's just me, but being inside this wholesale market was so boring and it has very ugly stuff. But that's just a personal choice. So I went out immediately and went to the supplier that is just outside at the entrance. Oh, it's a brand. It's their own brand. HT. And they have good quality stuff, by the way. Because this is a factory that makes bags of their own brand, they have nothing to hide, so they let us film to show different styles. They make both men and women handbags, and they actually do have some good customer care. I'm also going to add their contact on my membership channel, so just in case you don't need dupes, you can be able to order from them directly. This brand is called HT, and you need to make big orders. They do not take small orders. You cannot order one piece, but you need to order one model has to be 30 pieces, and each color has to be 30 pieces. That means if you need to order, for example, this model, and you need to order this color, you need to order 30 pieces of this color, black 30 pieces, red 30 pieces, like that, because they can produce for you. They have a factory. I'm sharing their contact. Subscribe to my membership channel.
Welcome to China.
And this bag can go for about 290 RMBs. I'm gonna tell you that in dollars, but I think it's so classy and aesthetic.
Welcome to China. Access my guide code. The new chapter is here. Let's build it together. Holy together. Let's build it together. Ooh, whoa. Hey, future is bright. Let's build it together. Holy together. Let's build it together. Future is bright. On the new chapter is here. Let's build it together. The future is bright. Let's build it together. The future is bright. Holy together. HG China 工厂遍布神州，质量标准严格，把关在手，客户需求，
300. Okay.
客户需求，我们时刻守候，在 HG China 找到最好的朋友。HG China 供应商遍布九州，诚信经营，口碑赢得永久。一站式服务，让你无忧。在 HG China 找到最佳的源头，跟我们走，穿梭市场的洪流。
This is soft leather, right? Yeah, it is soft leather.
跟我们走，穿越繁华的。
I think this is unisex backpack. This is a unisex backpack, and it's so cute. You like the design? I love the design. Could just grab it, wear it. It's summer, and you're good to go.
Welcome to China. Access my guide code. The new chapter is here. Let's build it together. Holy together. Let's build it together. Ooh, whoa. Hey, future is bright. Let's build it together. Holy.
It's been so much fun making this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. I mean, we tried so much to show you the product samples in these wholesale markets, but there are a lot of copies, so we could not show a lot of supplier details. But we got a supplier that has good customer care and is understanding, and we are sharing their number on my membership channel. If you're starting or scaling your business and you're looking for where to find wholesale bags in Guangzhou, this is definitely the area. We are close to Bayonne wholesale leather market, and that is where you can go to different markets to be able to get high quality premium handbags. If this video has been so useful to you, like, share, and say something in the comment section. It's been so fun having you here. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you in the next one. I love you. It's so hot. I don't even know what I'm saying.